Oh,
so nice. Oh my god. You can feel the fabric, it's very high end. These two fabric, I just got the recommendation from the supplier. Which one you prefer?
还有1分钟，准备哦。
Hi guys, welcome to our live stream. I'm IC. 260 is very thick. Yeah, we can accept PayPal and bank transfer. What's your MOQ? Our MOQ is 30 pieces. Look the colors, very beautiful.
It is pretty good like this.
Oh, I love this one.
This market is huge. It is the biggest fabric market in the world. And actually we have a lot of different style here. You can see the fleece inside. See here? Okay. The fabric market. Oh, that one. 几分钱? This one. This one is popular. This one is popular. Yeah.
This one, the guy just wear is this fabric. Exactly,
this fabric?
This fabric, yeah. 365 GSM, and you can see the inside is very warm and the quality is much better than that one. And we actually have one style, the similar style in our website, right?
Yes.
And if you order like 100 pieces or more, we can custom your size and you can choose your fabric that you want.
Okay.
The fabric is free.
Yeah, the fabric. Now we are helping fashion brands to develop fabric.
You will just need to pay for the shipping fee.
Yeah, okay. Double 11, right?
Yes.
Double 11.
Single day. You can feel the fabric, it's very high end. These two fabric, I just got the recommendation from the supplier. These two fabric is like combine the two fabric together.
Okay, I actually want to get some heat sensitive fabric. So when you put your hands on and the color change. So I need to ask some fabric store whether they have heat sensitive fabric. One by one. So see how I ask and how they say no. No, they say no. Okay, no, again.
没有哎。
没有 they say no. 有温感面料吗? Okay, I get some heat sensitive. 1, 2, 3. See?
Wow.
The color change. The color change. So different. Yes, if you want to design something for Hoodie, it's okay. Oh, wonderful. Oh, really?
This is too waterproof. Too
waterproof. See, we need to get some recommendation for accessory.
Yes, so now we need to check the zippers.
The zippers?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the base. The base also huge. So a lot of accessories. So zippers, logo bands, all of them available to do custom. So normally we make the knit logo band like this, and this one is special, you see? It is stretchy.
Well done.
Well done.
Essential.
Essential. I think a lot of people interested in essential. It is okay.
Yeah,
if you want to.
Two different color.
Yeah, two different color like this. So see here. So this is the quality, but it is more expensive.
Vegan leather fabric, please. Vegan leather.
And this is the bag. See here, zipper bag. Michael will update to Wendy, no problem. So I think it is for today's live.
Yes.
Okay, so we need to say
bye.